Mama, why don't you even want to talk to me?
Why do you want me to talk to you?
I don't want to talk to me.
Why?
Because me and a friend and we will go somewhere to deal with something, right? I'm telling you, say, draw out the pants. You know, sneeze, the man on a post. Why not sneeze for?
Hello. I mean, say man on a puss. Me underneath the bed. And in bed, underneath the man bed dusty. I mean, I sign out. I mean, I sneeze. Yeah, tell him man to go push.
Push the man. You know say no push no dead man and then say man a push.
What do you want me to say? Oh, I'm a friend Kayla under the bed that try to steal your pants. I tell you what me say? Mama, if you don't want to sneeze, you put your hand over your mouth.
Me don't go so in that work.
Mama, you know, sister, we are trying to take your pants, but the man grab up in your pants fast enough for we get you. Are you too fool? Where you put your hand there for?
Mama,
the man chop your hand.
Mama, oh, you know what man chop my hand? And that with you chat too much, just spray your hand spraying.
Your hand spraying?
You there?
Oh. Listen to me. Anyway, I'm going to tell you this plain and true. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about the little night you're sleeping at jail. Rich is a must. We must rich. We have to rich before the year done.
We want next mission to come up to you.
We want next mission too. So come on, girl.
No, I'm not available.
Maybe not available.
I want and me have a not factory next one.
Girl, you see that you
time that go better.
You see that you got to take that as a motivation, girl.
Continue. Don't stop.
Don't deal with him. I'm not available for that one.
Girl, we can't go by myself by true. We are doing true. We are rich.
When it turn in the run left, me should think about that.
We
can't run left far.
Girl,
what you turn up for?
You know that
we did that weird.
You tell me turn up. I drop and couldn't move.
Mama, we did that weird pan at the spot.
Listen to me. Let me tell you this, Shanice. If you look up on a robbery mission, yes, if one I would not get catch, the whole trio will get catch. Exactly. So not wrong. So time I hear, time the next time I see, then you. Me not plan. Me not plan to get catch. Ever you say me I got thief and plan to get catch?
Oh well, I am not available.
You look like say me I got thief and plan to get catch. A thief me I got thief.
Well, me not available. By the hook or the crook, I told no one I go on there. No,
girl, listen to me. You don't want to reach a man, you know what the big beast where you have, the big boss.
Me will
you don't want to do something there?
Mama, make up your we think about him. You know when the money comes to your
man.
man.
Mama, just mind and think about it.
Yeah, everything I got alright.
We might not get 12 in it, but we like 20 grand. We have $4,000 still.
Yeah.
It's no $8,000.
Mama, me not come no way.
What do you mean?
I'm look like third barrel. Me not want to come.
You know, say unfair. Girl, from with your primary school, like trail with your teeth. With the teeth to it.
And you're the greediest one.
Mama,
right?
Mama, when your teeth, your teeth small.
In greedy, because what you if you get 20,000, I give me 1,000, give 1,000.
You can't give me 1,000.
I'm not going to know.
I never told her she get. She have a right to me can't get 1,000.
So I'm going to get 1,000.
A 500 she get. You say she blind. You say money on me.
I'm not come to hold you right
now. Understand. If you
yourself.
don't know work, how now get money? Girl, we have our next big client to deal with.
You want to go and deal with a big client? Me not take no more 5 bills. All me not my mind me think of 5 grand. Me I get a 5 bill.
You look like you're worth 5 grand. Let me have your 5 grand to do.
You want go and go thief?
Probably if you didn't pick the man pocket, go to tie the hand top of the man so long. No, how would Shanice hand? Shanice would sleep in a jail, you know. And you cast that, you know.
Wow,
I mean, no long talking.
Me have to distract the man.
With what? It's like you're underneath then you work properly.
So you never come work for me then?
No, I want to tell you to go and eat the bed, you know.
Hello. Your person was silent a while.
You know what? Me I can't go and brother you. Me I can't go over my brother because you see it turn now much things. Me I can't go and brother because it turn now. As we say, Shani, you know, say you're bad this one. If you think about it, but your teeth are down, you have to think about it. You have the idea. They hear? Think about it, girl. Probably get a 15 bills. Think about it, man.
Take you 15 bills and soap your dress. You're bright.
You say, bad to bad. You know, say she make we not get enough money.
Mama, slowly me I realize. You see, Kayla is very greedy.
Yes.
Kayla want more than everybody. Me not know that. Me
she make the man
right
catch
now.
you.
Me not go nowhere with her.
Because she under the fake sneeze. She's fake sneeze now.
Fake sneeze.
Fake sneeze, the dirty girl fake sneeze. But it's alright. Me not can't go up.
Why? Me see you still.
Yeah.
But me not must be right there so. Akina, you Kayla niece and look so.
Yeah.
So you come from school look so.
I fight at school.
You fight at school now?
Yeah.
Oh. So where you go now?
I go.
Oh, alright. If I see your sister, if I see an auntie up there, tell me say, If you check me, about the deal, if you check me. Just tell her myself to check me.
Alright.
Yeah. This sucks, man.
Brother!
Oi!
Come here.
Oh my God, no wonder I look at me calm and this man.
What can you look in your yard?
Huh?
Can you look in your yard?
I wash.
Oh.
I mean one. So me have to wash.
I come to beg you something.
Beba,
I'm hungry.
you hungry? What's this one I just come from school? Say I want lick. I want liquor, see man.
Nah, go on favorite news. Go and get auntie a hug, man. How you do?
Why you socks in your hand?
I fight me.
Why the uniform tear up so?
I fight at school and the girl pop up me uniform.
You beat her?
Yeah.
Boss it.
Where you telling about
Boss
boss it
it,
one?
touch
Where you
it.
telling about boss it one?
Yes.
I boss your box.
We are do.
Boss what?
Girl, so that's what I got beast up yo. This and that. Right.
Listen me. Don't follow your mad auntie, eh?
Type of woman.
Do not fight. But tell you already, say, if anybody want to fight you, walk from them. You don't start a fight with them. It take two to start something. You understand? Where you go to school to learn? Where you go to school to do?
Learn.
Where you go to learn?
What you mean when I'm gonna fi learn?
Jesus Christ. Where you go to learn?
We ask if it is. We ask if it is.
Where you go to school to learn?
I go to school to learn.
Jesus, peace of mercy, God.
Woo!
And you laugh.
Eh?
And you laugh.
Yeah, me a
You
laugh.
go to school to learn education. Education, subject in your head.
She not reach a subject level yet. That like a subject level?
That no say.
That coming like our subject level picnic?
What you learn today?
Fight.
You don't
Remember the fight.
You don't remember.
She said fight.
Why? Me don't know.
You remember see a fight? You remember see a fight?
Where you there?
Eh?
Where you coming from?
Me I beg you some, me beg you my money. Cause me hungry.
Me don't give you money yesterday.
The money they done. But
Remember say me pick the same go to school you know.
know what you say? When I get bigger, cause me not big now, me young.
And when you go get bigger?
Me look like you, old. You said no listen to what? No listen to him. Listen to me. You see, when I get rich, I go and take care of you. I shall spend money upon you. One day, I must reach. Rich is a must. I have to reach.
Listen, you see auntie here?
Mm-hmm.
Keep talking it every time. Every day you get up, come on me yard, money in talk about. You see, if somebody like this, come here beg your father every minute, he now get rich.
Do like me, be like me.
You understand? You see this uniform though? You go wear it. For a month and add for me build you a new one. Yeah, me not even fix it.
Look at the uniform look big for it. She get
Yeah,
off
if
her
it
bag, yeah.
big.
Take off her bag, yeah. Take off her bag, yeah.
If it big.
Put them bag, yeah. Make me teach you something in your life. Because when you go to school, you must be hot girl. Hello, uniform for the up here so. Up your so. You hear me? Up your so. No, long uniform. Who put it on that? Who put it as a long uniform, yeah?
That boy too little for lick you. So make me
Where
take
do
up
that?
this time.
Where do that?
Where I tell my fitness say?
Me I say to her, say, when she I go to school, you see how this long? You think me I wear this so? You must wear this like this up here so.
Don't
We
follow
are
auntie.
long. Who put it? Are you buy that again, Pitney?
Yeah.
You don't know. Me never see her knee.
You don't see any.
Who you put it Pitney in?
Me want when time she a walk and breeze blow, he come right here so.
And daddy, when me tell her, his teacher them said they me need to get me one shoes because the crocs. Me can't wear the crocs cause school.
You see when I go to school tomorrow morning, I go and get a message to the teacher here. Tell the teacher them say, your father don't have it. What government a pay we can buy shoes out of it to give you. You hear?
have money, but
Tell him to tell the government say, for raise the pay from 16,000 a week to 32,000 a week, because that they deserve. 32,000 a week, at least that. If you even get $200 US a week.
But daddy, oh you get auntie money, you can't buy.
hello, come to my business. You don't want to give me come to me yard now.
Me broke.
Alright,
Me broke. So why you had?
Whatever.
You know, go on and go
Listen to
study.
me.
You getting the homework?
No.
Remember me I tell you say.
See,
Go to school,
waste
take
no
your
waste no money.
education. And
One
you
in
the
here?
fans, send breeze blow the little boy them say something. Say I go on.
Wait just a while ago. You're bright. Come back in my yard again.
Need the water. I have to go past her. Sit down right back.
What's your open?
Yeah.
So what are your shoes?
Purple, yeah.
So you don't have money to buy none?
No.
Top girl school and say my lunch money buy one then. So what?
Good evening. Nothing.
Like on still a girl school and people with education. Don't
Yeah.
get expelled like me.
I will not be like you, and I will
Alright.
not like to
Right
be
now,
like
much
you.
with this still a girl school and my school shop me still in now.
Oh, I know me just say you used to come a mad. Bunting. Oh God.
And remember me? Yeah, remember a little black took a picnic?
Are you there normally bully cause of your teeth?
Yes.
Oh God. Oh. Well, I'm sorry.
Okay, well, you know, you're too over intelligent. So, as me that say, top girl school and save a lunch money and buy one shoes. It works.
Listen,
better.
by one foot.
Alright, later.
Strange. Father Bam! Father Bam!
Who that disturbing my property?
I mean,
Don't come any further. Hold it. Why purpose say that?
I know I said, me and my friend, they want to get rich.
Rich.
Yeah.
Which is a must.
I mean, you say you're good. That's what the ten boy, you see me? Yeah.
Rich is a must.
Yeah, so what me have to do?
Me good enough, man. You don't
Me and my
question
friend.
me. Wait. Yeah, your friend.
Yeah.
Where your friend then?
Then the funny road.
No moon. Go for your friend, the man come back. Go call him.
Alright. You sure?
You say go call him and come back.
Alright.
Girl, man, and I hurt.
Hungry me hungry.
Girl, find out up your man. Somebody come out up your man. Nobody now come.
I mean, nobody now come, girl.
Nobody now come, girl. Somebody come out up your man to make it. While I will get rich. You go down there?
So I'm going to go sacrifice.
No, I'm not sacrifice nobody. Me go down there, talk to you, and you can be care, my friend, them come.
For what reason?
Sacrifice me.
No.
So when you do for?
We not gonna sacrifice an
Me get
idiot.
one big stone for both feet.
You know some nonsense.
Mama.
The man time for care when you down there. That's all you can get to get rich.
For why? You can't deal with it and make me get rich.
No.
Did you hear what go happen, mama? Rich. You know what is rich?
Mama, you know what is
Kindness.
Obia.
I know,
What is-
Obia.
Obia.
We have to go sacrifice somebody.
See,
Baby.
same thing.
I don't know now we go get it.
You know that.
Mama, we don't know say we are going rich. Listen to me. I'm going to tell you this today. It's like we're not getting on the hand. By the hook or by the crook, before the ear fit done, what we must be what?
Rich.
What we must be, Shanice?
Rich.
But I'm not buying no science, man.
Mama, you don't want to sell your underneath.
No.
You don't want to sell no part of your body.
So,
Me tell you if you make one white man push something up in your back for you get money, you don't want to do it.
Why you not do it?
Girl, I mean have big bumper. Compare my bumper to your bumper, she ain't bigger.
Me can't learn the mind. But me, right now, which part the Obia man there?
up the road.
Who tell about the Obia man?
Who tell about it?
One bridging the link.
You sure Obia man?
Obia man.
Suppose the bridging with your link, send him brother go dress up as an Obia man for scam with money. And we not have no money already. How much we have to go pay Obia man?
When we go there, we go find out.
So mama, you have to find out them the things they first.
Mama, all of me one can't find out everything. My brain none of a
If no sacrifice and I go on, there's no sacrifice on no family member then.
Man, sacrifice of God, me not doing it. Me
Mama,
not nobody for
Me
sacrifice.
they sacrifice.
Me my grandpa dead.
Mama,
I
you
don't
know
have a
Obia
sibling.
man are now going there, so I bet be a night. Who will not sacrifice?
Hello, me have to think about it. Me have
Alright,
to-
then think about it. I will wait
Alright.
by myself. I don't know when
Wait.
I'm getting a rich.
Wait then, wait for a moment. Father
If
God,
you could have reached by yourself, the man would just send you come for it. So you
Pray.
have to
I
need we.
Listen to
You
me.
have to need we. You
Because
need
I don't want
we.
to feel, I don't want to feel like a wicked
Mama,
inside.
just
You're
say don't
done
want to
wicked,
feel
you want to go
pain.
in there. Tapinay, I'm pray now.
And you're done with it, okay? Go the next
Come,
week.
I'm pray now.
Mama, you have to pray. Say no, bro.
Of course, girl. Tapinay, we talk to God. Father God, as me and my two friends, them, they're right here. So God, we come for forgiveness, God. God, we shall reach God, but by your hand, God, it's coming very slow. So Father God, me I beg if you forgive me after this.
What you mean by coming slow?
Because God I move too slow,
God,
so
I
we have
move
to go
too slow.
by the devil.
And
We
the
have...
devil me I pray to next.
Come, pray, young girl, pray. Good on, pray.
Devil, don't ya
Get up!
Mama.
stop.
I never
Shut up, now. Yeah, idiot. Tell me no
mad!
The devil done
You
ya
wanna
so.
pray for devil?
Help me to get rich quick and fast. Me and
Mama.
Shanice.
Oh, yes. We need to get
Help us to get rich.
Yes.
Mwah.
Nah.
Come on,
Come, wait,
Me
man.
no know.
And the little girl, yeah, man.
You not pray! You never say Yashan is me too!
Mama, you ask for we are pray to the devil for.
Pray to the devil. You can't
come on.
involve God. Now them are sitting here.
No, can I hold
Stop. Spin on the road 3 times. You spin your road.
for what?
What that?
Hey.
What is that? What's that?
What kind of dog this you have here?
Hello. Hello, make me talk. I come like when you come waste time, you know. Me come about money. Me want to get rich.
Rich.
Mm-hmm.
Sure, I know I get rich.
Me don't know about them. Me know about me rich. Me want to get rich. Me will do anything. Anything at all. Because me want to get rich.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
When you have to sacrifice one of the virgin friend, them, you know, it's a female that do. Not a male.
Mama, me don't look for me. Me worse.
So who now
You can't
sacrifice?
pick me. Me name 12. You can't do it.
Who now think of?
No
Yourself.
matter anybody, no matter no idiot. Anybody.
Anybody?
Mm.
Call me.
Mama, we are going to sacrifice.
Hmm?
We are going to
You can
sacrifice.
go to school gate and say,
Girl.
girl, pick me.
I could have been your sister. Anybody.
Mama, me nah none, so you thank God.
Who young and a
Sacrifice
virgin.
your niece.
Call me.
Yes! Me niece! Him a virgin, he young. You not agree? But who you sacrifice to get rich?
Mama, you have to sacrifice the one person for while we get rich.
No, you idiot!
You have fool and me tell you about her.
No, I'm sorry. Hello, me alone to get rich. Tell me what I must do.
You say to get a bad mind.
Call him. I'm waiting.
Who go call me?
Our niece named Tiny. She will
Alright,
sacrifice.
give me a sec.
No, you want now move.
Listen, miss. I'm a spiritual youth.
I could never that ugly dolly there that talk to.
So don't put that back.
Hold on, put it in the pocket.
Me nah none.
Side, hold on the side. Money. Tiny. Money. I'm sorry, rich.
But you have
Spin one more time. 3 times.
rich now?
Not yet.
Oh, yeah, wait, pan.
We got to bring the child. And then we can get rich after that.
So-
I'm gonna do the rest.
I want something I want to ask you. She not richer than we.
No, it's you're not rich this year.
Equal, alright, that's
Equal.
nice. Yeah. Wow, come on. So we are going to picture.
Go and
No,
get...
go on for your, go on.
Go
Come
and
on,
get
you have to go
no,
PR.
You stay. Go
Me
and
a
get
time.
time.
Go on, go get 20. Hurry up, girl. She for the come from school.
Oh, don't touch.
Me want to get richer. Me can't sacrifice them too. Me want to get rid of them too. Me no want me and get rich.
Sacrifice somebody, sir.
Yes. The 2 of them, one time. 2 of them. Me want have more money.
But I kill me, I'll kill them doing it.
Me no business what you want to do. Just what you say me rich. You whole share they get.
I get something
Mm-hmm.
tipping in the juice
Yeah.
or in the food.
Mm-hmm.
And I
What
eat
some
that.
people in there?
Go me.
Hurry up. Hurry up, quick. Come on, you mean say. Rich me must rich. Come on, man. What think I got Daniel?
No.
Oh.
Calling me.
Shanice and Riri. Mm-hmm.
And nobody say no. Tip like in the liquor, juice or food.
Anything.
Anything.
Thank you.
So long they take to come back.
No, them not come back and then she get my niece before me. I mean, the car come. So come back.
Alright.
We're gonna try this and put girl now. You know, say we fool, Riri.
We should never let Kayla down at the home, man. Kayla is greedy.
Mama, me just a member, you know. Cause the man never say she for stay no. And she a run away. And when them she know the man. Hey, me not trust Kayla, you know. Cause Kayla nearly make me lose my hand. And she not go make me lose my life.
Cause I need to start sacrifice that
Mama,
little virgin.
If your niece not work, my sacrificing home cook. What if we can't extend to have them a virgin?
What?
Me there here. We can access something.
Yeah.
That virgin? No. No, not a virgin. But I'm not take man really do nothing later. Come.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, no, say too dirty. Take a reg. Pass yourself.
Two girl.
Yeah.
They asking for a virgin. Two of them pass.
Some of us dirty girl they try to get rich before me. Eh?
What?
Some ask because I'm not virgin.
No.
Yeah, how much?
17.
Yeah, how much?
40.
I am a virgin. So I be a big things yeah take. You know. You could have hold a virgin till a little bit longer.
You a virgin?
No.
How old are you?
Hello, me, that's 18.
Okay, why you could hold years longer until marriage? Goodbye. You're bride.
So I could dirty face the girl, yeah.
Face to like your face to like your hair, where skin and teeth with everybody where you walk past.
No. It's supposed to skin teeth with everybody. It's friendly. Now argue with my ear. Walk with your bonnet.
What with my bonnet?
Eh?
At least me care up my natural hair. What about you?
Why? So, I want to answer this one here.
Oh,
What answer that? Jesus wept. Oh no, I'm a virgin. I'm not take man. I'm not take man. Make man do no here, man.
look here, all concubine.
Yes, me a old concubine. That's the problem.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I make man do it here. And people like on influence fitness fit take man before time.
But you don't take man underneath you before time.
Oh no,
Oh,
my
you're
dear.
powerful parents.
I was raped. That's why I'm a virgin.
Oh my.
I don't want your sympathy. Bye.
I'm not sorry for you. I saw them that big team, big dirty slippers. Come look for my niece, you know,
I'm
cause
gonna have it.
Hello, Father Pam. Alright, what if you don't want to name?
What is your problem?
We'll come back. Which part Kayla there?
Taylor gone home.
Okay,
So then make she gone home, so.
so you can't give one next task to do even if it's sacrifice with whom? You can't. You can't go find virgin.
No, I cannot do that. You got to get the virgin. If I want to sacrifice your home, I would. But that cannot work. You have to get a virgin.
So suppose we not get a virgin, what will happen? We can't cancel it, we nobody want to reach.
Mom, I joke at that man thing for. Eh?
Mama, You
alright.
can't me come and
Yeah.
this a man come like in mad, you know.
This thing is in process.
Yeah.
Who tell him people in process?
We're gonna get the virgin, DB. Yeah, shut up.
Me not
Shut
tell him
up.
no lie. We can't get the virgin.
You don't know that.
If
We're gonna get the virgin, don't.
If we don't get the virgin, we'll go. You dolly now con. You dolly
you
dead.
cannot get the virgin, you're gonna die in 3 days time.
And how long you gonna take for dead?
Alright.
Okay.
Father
What?
Bam. We're gonna make her get the virgin. Don't worry.
Okay, what?
Oh! Mama, what do you?
My belly. Oh.
You told Mama. My God. Mama, come on. Come on, Mama. Mama, come on, Mama. Mama, come on. Get
My belly. Wait, mama. Mama.
Mama, stop.
My belly, mama, me feel it.
Mama, what
This
do you
one is a
think?
3 there. Me get 3 stab. Mama, right now, me I go downtown. Me I go every school. Me I will able to get my mama look up in
Tell you to
belly.
shut up and come on. You want
Mama,
to argue?
me tell him me
You
never
can't
want
argue
go.
with other man.
Me tell him me never want go. You see the one Kayla, she, you know say me hate Kayla. Every time Kayla plan some dummy, me nearly lose my hand. Now me come like me go lose my life. Me try for twist it, not even hungry, no feel some might come like slap dead in me. Mama, you see, he said 3. Me I say 3 stab.
Why, rough?
Right now my belly a hot.
Now your case a chat too much.
Mama I come like more vomit.
Mama, vomit over there, so come now you vomit up, no people for me. Mama, turn your head over there, so.
How we are looking?
Eh?
We are looking.
Me think you're asleep. I mean, niece me because I'm in go on a stroll. Mommy, I mean, go on a walk.
Sorry, Mom. What's up? I'm gonna live longer.
Good evening, Daddy.
Evening, what time now?
4:30.
What time school over?
2:30.
So why you they come home them time I was there?
Daddy, we need the extra lesson.
Sure,
Alright.
extra lesson?
Put on the bag and come on now. You go on the road.
She coming too late. She
See,
can't
I
go
feel go
on.
on the road, man. Me need
Listen me. She cannot go on the road today. She just are coming late. My responsibility.
So me and I go walk. My girl for ice cream. Me get a piece of food. I'm gonna buy her ice cream.
You're not going on the road today. No?
Jesus.
Just tomorrow, you can babysit when you gone because me I get a work, you know. So me I go on a work.
But tomorrow morning, early, you go.
I don't know what time tomorrow me I go, but me sure know say me I get a work. So maybe probably like as the daylight, you know, see me. So now go back on the road for the rest of the day. And make me tell her something. Looking girl, if you ever think you're bad coming late tomorrow,
But Daddy, your extra lesson make
tell them say any extra lesson them I give you, get it on your phone. But we teach you.
You have phone?
Hmm?
You have phone?
You need you have one banger in there.
Yeah, you that.
Huh?
Banga now work at school and them a time, yeah. Banga do not use internet. Yeah, food.
No, just type it in.
Me bamba.
I'll send it to the text, SMS. I tell them if you WhatsApp me. Why did that?
What
Me
a
not-
baby.
Huh?
You say, yeah, my brother, you're cheap.
I'm not cheap. You know, like,
Look, phone I can't buy a girl while I look cheap tablet and cheap phone there.
I'm tired.
go on in. I'm going to be a dog.
Yeah, you walk up on the with one iPhone 13 Pro Max.
So what wrong
And you
with it?
can't buy your niece one like a $20,000 phone or Samsung or something.
Like how you're a niece,
Banger.
like how you're a niece and I'm my daughter. Why you not buy her?
When me get rich. By the cook, I shall get rich. When me get rich, me buy your food too.
You can't keep your food, you know. Come in and know where you will on the power road at night time.
We at work. What's the problem?
Oh, remember, if you ask something, sister. What happened to your friend?
Which one?
Shanice.
What do I?
The passed out today with her and mama next one with the head like fall late egg night sometime.
Oh. He had no. You know what I know? So we play wrestling with one man and the man cricket.
The man cricket, what a man, wicked man. And I play them, I play.
Play something and the man must go through share when the man must go.
Oh,
It was
God.
such a tragedy.
That's how you go. You think of the teeth.
And the other one now with a fair face long up a true man left hand.
Oh, I see. I see.
Yeah.
Something in the right yard. You know, cook good. It looks so.
Add that. She
And you
can't.
know, do helicopter boom flick. So you have
No,
to
then
see.
there's something there. So give me your money.
Well, every time you come here, you want some money. We get the last. You can't give me that lunch money too. Me up here if you babysit.
All right, tomorrow morning I come early. Let's fire early.
All right, good.
All right, so tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah. Little girl, eat the egg and the macaroni and cheese.
Alright, daddy.
You say, Bam, it'll go hard for me get me niece over here.
Well,
It'll go hard bad.
well.
So you know what I have in mind? They go sacrifice the period.
If me do want sacrifice a period, I'm gonna sacrifice a long time. I have to bring some virgin here.
If
Some
pick me what they go,
virgin.
what me they go stop from come I go virgin.
You have to bring some virgin and me I get 3 days to live. And then you bring a virgin come. Just know where 3 days start.
So you do me? Me I have a friend now.
Friend, how? Now my business. Where you get that from?
See
Eh? Where you get that from?
what you do?
How you mean what me I do? You have to get a virgin. See if you can get any virgin. It don't have to be your niece. It don't have to be your sister. Once she or him is a virgin, you bring him come here.
So I can't sacrifice you.
Leave!
Me know me I go do.
Leave my place,
Wait,
but
no,
why you can't sacrifice me? Leave!
Me find out me I go do it. Listen what me I go do. Me they go make it work. Watch how me I go make it work. What you do? What you do?
Right. No one come in my property come face it. Leave!
Me
Leave!
not talk about the situation say me I'll bring her
Talk.
come. You
Talk.
understand? Me tell you how me have it now. See tomorrow. Me remember when my brother me go over there. So me go over there for her. My brother tell me say she can't afford to hire. Can me go over there go trip. Brother say more me and I go up on the road. My brother say no. So you say tomorrow me go left me for babysit. She say tomorrow you left me for babysit. Me go lock off the pipe and send her up at the wheel to go catch water and make man kidnap her car come. So tomorrow.
Tomorrow, what time?
Early in the morning. My brother left out 5 o'clock and me I come early in the morning, 6 o'clock me I come. Early day. Me bring her come. So much you say there?
Alright. 6 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
On the dot.
Yeah, 6 o'clock on that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Shanice,
Yo,
you know she said one day pass and gone already. I know we can't get a virgin woman, virgin picnic.
girl, right now I kill and me I go sacrifice. Can you see how no me can't
What
see
you
she
man a
now?
virgin?
Mama, it's sacrificing in home so you can't have no more picnic.
Achoo. When we not see she, where she there?
Me tell you, you see Kayla half for herself, girl. It's like you're not adding enough fun.
She too licky.
Right now, me I wonder if me I go dead time still a feel the pain in my belly.
Mama, you chat too much. Your mouth has big effect on you. Your
Come on, go
mouth.
on.
Your mouth alone.
And then 2 years come from. No, then 2 years we stay and they say them are not virgin.
Oh, there.
Evelyn.
You know, so I feel like you're a virgin. Me need to know.
Ma, so if my virgin, we are going to kidnap you.
You can't.
I see him bigger than you. I come and meet him.
No.
It's okay, you can go.
Alright, later. We take care of the look yourself.
You know, say every time when you see we no tap way.
Yeah, we have a tap on.
Tap way for what?
We don't ask a question.
Which question? Virgin or no virgin? How that concern uno?
We just want to know.
Where you want to know for?
Can't.
You enough so.
Mm.
You enough so.
Enough?
Every minute you just ask you that one question and then you go say, alright, we can go on.
Alright, miss, madam. Go on now.
We were going. Next time I see we don't stop with.
We're
You
not
think
tapping.
you're going to ever stop on the back? Mama, tap the people them pit me. Oh.
Oh, God.
Girl, you know, say I don't. I don't look like the month because I'm and kind of feel better. What that is this? It's good.
Can you dirty and look? Come see her hand, mama.
Girl, what's it? I can't look.
Look nasty though.
Nearly look that bad. I got actually some bus a piece. Wait there.
Alright. Me really want to get one virgin. If I even want baby. Wait there. Girl. What's your name?
Honey.
Oh. You a virgin?
Yeah.
You a virgin?
Yeah.
Come here then. Come here. Shit. The pitney run. Wait until Shanice comes. The pitney run to wanted. Shanice! Girl, come here, girl, come here. Guess what me just said a while ago?
Oh.
I'm a virgin. But he run.
Oh. What's
I'm
your
a virgin in little shot.
What's your name?
Never did remember, tiny.
Akela Nies.
A little girl run.
Yeah, pretty here.
Yes.
Akela Nies. Why you make a girl run?
By the time I sit, figure it up, so. I hope that's how you pick the reach, you know. Why, rough?
You
We
just
have to go
weak
bucking.
and good for me.
Wait, I should have gone piece. I should have stopped
Mama,
out that
me
stuff.
did have a piece. I feel like me can hold a piece.
Well, me could run no fast. I never want to drop.
Just good for nothing. I just want to go over me. Yeah.
Come on here, yeah.
Auntie, you there?
No, me not there. I dream, yeah, I dream. Cause me sure to get see you no blind, you see me, yeah. Where you come from and why you there run?
I'll run me there run for one girl out there, so.
Which can I run down? This guy be girl. Which can I run down?
Ed, if you were like, woodpecker, like a Nancy, wrap up in a red something in she head. And she black.
And her face come like a batty.
Yeah, and she look like a dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Rear. That dirty girl, Riri. Alright, don't worry about that. Me know her. I ram share and put it here. But we take off your bag and put it in your bag. And change up to your uniform. And go hold a shower. Yes, so put on the bag first. And you know. I got call Riri. Riri. How you want so bright? How you feel run down my niece? Me the business boy. Listen to me, girl. Me tell you, I go bring her coming. I go bring her coming. And if you run her down, yeah, what? Idiot. Alright. Let me go my phone. I can go lock off a pipe there now.
Auntie, you want to look out for me there, bed?
That's a gun?
Yeah.
Alright, here you go do now. You put things them and go up a bush for the big tank go bed. You take off because I got water got a pipe.
Now go for my bag or something. then
Yes,
I'll
go and pay your bag and go up a big tank. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Go on here?
Mhm.
Alright.
Facebook now. New friends.
What is this phone here? You love chat. Yo. Yeah, man. She dey pan her way. She dey in her school blouse. I want blue bag pan her back. Remember, you know? No damage her. Just kidnap her. Yeah? Alright. Take money down so me can come.
The one little girl auntie come to know that day. No water in the bed. I was so. No understand.
I so glad home is you. Me glad too. Why you run down me niece on the big main road? What wrong with you? Mama, when you see main road, a bush. I never run around on main road. I want tar because I need the money. Money we are talk about this. Me have to carry. I 2 days we have left back in a 2 days. We said I go we. Yeah. I know we you want to say about me set myself already. You mean let's sit yourself right now me send her up a big tank and bed. And somebody go and go up, they go kidnap her. So we for the phone call. That good for we. Good for we. No. What? I feel me alone. Mama. Get in your head. So tell me now. So you see, the one when you hope your man turns on a 3 day flip, I never get a 3 day, I never get none of that. And me alone, alright, I not dead. And me alone I get rich. I make sure me tell him man, say and me alone I get rich. And me alone do it. And me alone for rich. Me alone need the richness. I see thing with the tell Shani say. You all for yourself. You want a wicked piece of girl. You want backstabbing. You see you? You know what? You see since I saw me the case, me prefer me and Shani's go on pastor man for him pray for me. And you? Pastor can't help you. You know pastor can't help you. Money you take up you. Pastor can't help you. I mean, make you know the other man, you know, me, if I never me, you wouldn't get money for yourself. Okay. So now me, make you know pastor, now if you know, if you go to pastor, watch you know, pastor can't help you know why? You don't sell your soul to the devil. You don't give yourself to the devil. From the moment you walk in our home, your yard, you don't get yourself to the devil. You don't say wicked though. Me know this. You're wicked and me go on by your business. I don't care. Go on by your business. You say, Uno, I sacrifice Uno too. You say you are gonna sacrifice a whom? Your whom you gonna sacrifice? You shall dead, you. No. You know what? You're not more friend. You're wicked. But you was friend. Which friend? You see friend, if you ever find friend at them time, there's no such thing as friend at them time. You idiot. Okay. Let me tell you this, my words, girl. Me sacrifice Uno, so I drink, so I go to last night for drink. Or you better start pray because the hobby man give me for kill or no. I see you. Me what tell Shanice. My business. Yo, you're wicked. You're not good. What the hell? Wicked. Rich me want to get rich out of you. You're bright.
Sure. I want to know the other time. I can't put on this to get so what.
Why? Lucky girl number that come out a holy hope she coming up. Cause today me want make it work. Me no want tomorrow catch me and the girl no get sacrificed. She come. I don't holy hope Shanice no come out so too quick too. Before a girl. Away girl. Yes. Marie. You ready? Yeah, I'm a dress. Yes, you ready? Yeah. Alright. Here we are. Yeah. Oh, but we are going now. I'm ready too. Hello. You know, say we are go bunks. So the bunks are go bunks. Yes, we're ready. So come on. We're ready. Go on.
Box, right?
Step over. We're sorry. Just step over.
I'm fast reach. I'm not even going on a car.
No, I can't close by. I did a keep.
Oh.
Alright, 10 passes.
So reach yeah.
Yeah, 10 passes. See me here. Ah! We are telling me, mama. Hey. See me carry girl, come. See it there now. Where's it happen now?
You say? You don't say take me for idiot though.
Who it was?
She ain't a virgin.
What you mean? The girl said she a virgin, so I bring her come.
Me tell her if you bring virgin.
So the virgin me bring? You damn darling and talk to you right. Cause a virgin me bring. Now I'm going to carry this a heavy gala gone now. So me gonna do?
You know if I really virgin, yeah.
Yes, come again.
You!
Hmm?
Make me feel that.
Me not take if you not eat them. Me say, no, if it's true, don't do me not. Me go get one different girl. Me think that this is one of the virgin.
You look like virgin.
She tell me say she a virgin.
Don't say take me feel
No,
that.
me not think if you not eat that. If it's true, me think that she a the virgin. If it's true, don't. Me go carry one more come. You hear? Believe me, must have 3 days give me no.
Alright.
Alright.
No, low she. Leave her. Leave.
So me feel leave her. Last time I tell me to leave one girl, you know.
You leave, alright.
You should turn against me.
Say leave the premises.
Guys, me in a trouble.
You got trouble, you know? Your birdness?
No.
What?
If I did my birdness, you would do so bad, Trisha. Mr. Me care. Non-virgin, God, the hubby man, you get the virgin. I daughter to behind people back. You hear wait. You hear wait. I not wait.
Riri, I don't expect you to go behind my back go cap. Me not expect Kayla to do it. Me not expect you. Me know what I'm gonna do right now. Me not wait for none of uno. Me personally, I go look somebody and care by myself.
You gotta do like she. Mama,
Yes, Mama, me
Mama, you don't do behind our back already. Remember the chat we had head. I don't know. I
When my hand did mash up, you know, you can't get him man should have up your little backside.
No, I did for me and you. No,
For
me
me
and
and
you.
you.
No,
And
me
you
and
go
you.
behind my back, girl, you couldn't wait for me.
Shut up. Girl, me I run joke for get Twitter so loyalty and you alone loyal. I do what me da make me da say for me I say for that stay alive but you're not loyal at all so you get yourself in a problem.
Mama, you're not loyal.
Mama,
test me that test
wait.
you.
When I carry one non-virgin, where man say?
The man,
Are you alone going a problem or all of it?
No, I'm not going to problem. Just tell me if you get one virgin.
Mama, me tell you, man, tell we say we have 3 days.
Yeah.
And 2 days gone already. You can't
I said today I done and I see. How do you? See, good. Where the girl? Same thing. What she idiot? What she idiot? Where girl?
Mama, me not see nobody.
Yeah, you fool.
Look.
What did they? Me say
Where girl? Mama, if girl did them, I would come in a girl that eat that, man.
What say you?
Where the girl there?
What? You idiot!
Listen to me. Me not feel where your niece there? A man say me have 3 days, 2 days gone, Mama, and me no want feel my belly chicken again. Mama, your niece.
Oh, me think she up a place. Me no know.
Come, we need to go for her now.
Shut up, what you see, girl?
Mama, me not be some other girl. Your niece.
Oh gosh. Father God. I'm sorry, Father God. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Father God. Oh God.
Oh, you. Tap that now. Hello.
We have something to tell you.
Me understand, say we have 3 days, but you can't give one other day or one 2 more days.
Cause she escape again.
Feel no fault. You want to end up like with a friend?
No, what you mean?
What happened to a friend? You can end up like a friend with what you talk about? Mama, where you come from?
Me a see girl.
Which girl?
See girl, me carry her.
The girl we are carry here?
Yes.
Your fault. You cheat me.
Me not trick you.
I tell her if you bring a virgin. You don't bring a virgin.
What she bring?
Nah, talk to you. I'm walk by.
Oh, you there?
I'm walk by you.
Tell the black girl all the way Tom. Yeah.
You look at pass with the bright girl named Kena?
You carry her, come here. So, you know, say me not really business with you. Sir, what's your name again? Me ask you, me can get Father Bam. Me can get one more day because the girl escape.
Please.
The real virgin escape. Girl, let go from me right now. Oh, I'm gonna sit down, girl.
Sit, you sit, sit.
Come on, sit down. Yeah, man, say sit down, sit down.
Sit, sit.
What? You
can't get one extra day. Or one extra
You
week.
go to fear now. Let's see before you're done. Just bring a girl, come.
You give me 3 days. Me have 1 day left, but more other day in back.
You said before the day done, you say you're evil.
Before you come, if I have a night, bring her.
You have like? No,
Alright, you know me what to do.
The girl escape. What hard in the head? It come like you can't give them a fool, yo.
Let me tell you what to do. Let me tell you what happening. Just take back a riches. Me nobody want rich.
Oh, shut up.
Me nobody want rich.
Me still want rich.
Me nobody want rich.
So, alright, let me ask you something. A virgin alone, me can't use her.
Sacrifice them.
When you sacrifice your, hey, go sacrifice your parents.
Tomorrow, can go on. Tomorrow.
No, one other day.
One to
Listen, you see when you went somewhere and the landlord put you out in gear days and I'm more than 3. You can't just give me.
She mad.
Yeah, me understand. I sacrifice her. Take her.
Me ask you, please.
But
Don't take
can't
it back. Me nobody
sacrifice.
want rich. Just take back everything.
No, but it,
But can't sacrifice when there's so much virgin. You know? Run us so you can't sacrifice.
Please.
Father Bumper.
Please, me I beg you.
No, this thing is in process.
And process it.
Unprocess it.
I disrespect.
Me unprocess it.
You shouldn't do that.
Hey, the last time I licked that me got hot me no boy. Don't ramp with me. Nothing happen. Me pray ya. Why?
Jesus, wait.
Me can't move, killer. Why? Hey, Come me, brother. I'm move. Me foot. Come here. Follow me. Me can't go fear now. Me go fear no. Me have to release me foot. Man.
Me don't call me brother now. Me gone. Take my origin. Me don't call me brother now. Bye-bye.
Mama, go straight. And don't talk. Take so long. Hello, Father by my father can. See ya.
Yes, I can feel it. This is
A virgin. Good.
Rich.
Take him.
We're rich now.
Rich.
Where money?
You can leave. You're gonna rich within
But wait,
24 hours.
What start we have for me know say me rich. Me one bank go call me.
Rich.
Yes, so
Wait.
when me wake up, money I go in them
Rich is
pocket.
a must.
Rich.
Rich now.
Rich.
I ain't even know how rich this go. I feel me I go to this nothing. How rich this go?
Rich already.
Whenever I sacrifice, are you gonna rich?
How long is it gonna take?
Rich now.
I'm gonna do it now.
Alright.
Don't worry, don't worry.
So we are going to rich because I'll go so.
Don't worry.
Rich now. Rich.
Rich is a must. Rich.
You can change your hairstyle because we're rich. Come.
Rich.
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 Now. Rich.
Rich.
Rich is a must.
Rich. 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 What make you wanna hard for dead, so?
What do you mean by that?
What you mean what I mean by that? Stand up. Don't move.
Jesus! I need you now!
Little girl, stop it.
Jesus!
Stop it, little girl. Stop it. Stop it.
Jesus!
Virgin miracle of baby girl. Virgin miracle of baby girl. Virgin miracle of baby girl.
When God did I give him bad people that when you get it extra.
Baby girl. Little girl.
Yuck.
Come here.
Yuck.
Go ahead. Sacrifice you. Little girl, come here.
Woman. I am not scared to hit a mad woman.
Are you come and sacrifice you?
Are you come and me lick you?
Come and lick you. Come and sacrifice. Girl, you can't feel no richness. We not even trying to see what a man do with the pitney.
When the man done sacrifice her, we go rich.
When a brother asks her for the pit, where you gonna say she there?
Me no know.
You deal with that after you rich?
After marriage, me
Yeah, the buy back a pitney.
Tell my money.
Rich? When me rich? I get money.
We're rich.
Kayla. Where rich this day?
Shadi's rich.
Where rich?
Rich Shadi's money.
Where money that girl? I pay for. Oh, she not really that.
Give me my money. We're rich. We're rich. Money girl. To the money, girl. We're rich as a must.
That is not money. You have sense, a little penny. You say money that. Yeah, you that this man.
Girl, rich.
Mama, where money there?
Rich as a must. Rich as a must.
Where money? Where money?
See money, I got see money. See her there.
I'll say, I'm money. I'll say. Yeah, next. I'll say.
Money. Come on, come like an idiot. Yeah, idiot. Come good and not forgive me. Come on.
Church.
Come. Let me go for this. I'm mad one. You come on.
We're rich. Rich. Rich.
Rich.
Rich.
Rich.
Rich.
Rich.
Rich.
We're rich. We're rich. We're rich. We're rich. We're rich. We're rich.